Using an eye mask is calming, and it can improve your sleep. It can also help decrease cortisol while increasing melatonin. Now, we're all under a lot of stress these days, so why not give yourself the gift of relaxation and create your own scented eye mask? It's really easy to do, and it's so beneficial. So let's make it. You'll need cotton fabric, a sewing machine, scissors, birdseed or rice, and lavender essential oil. First, using 1 cup of rice or birdseed, put it in a plastic bag. Then, drop 5 to 10 droplets of scented oil into it and mix together. Let it sit. Now onto the fabric. Cut out 1 10 by 10 inch square and fold it with the right sides together. With the folded right sides of the fabric together, sew the long side and 1 short end. Turn the fabric inside out, and you have an empty sack. To fill it, create a funnel made from scrap paper and fill the empty sack with the seed mixture. Turn the opening edges in, pin in place, and then top stitch closed. There you have it, your very own scented eye mask. So go ahead, take a deep breath and relax. Now you can take a nap.